Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you what you can do with the AI art that you have created. So I have here ArtSmart that I load up some of the images that I have here in a community. So I just want to show you what it looks like in this community. So thank you so much for your patience. I have gotten a new mic here, and this is the one I've got from Amazon, and it has been really good, and I just want to try it out. This is my first video with this new mic, so hopefully you can hear me better than the last time. I've been struggling to get a good mic, so now I've been doing research and trying to find out, which one is really good out there. So I'm probably gonna make a video about which mic I think are really affordable and still give you high quality. Okay, so first off, if you want to create something from like AI, you can either go to Midjourney, like I mentioned before, but their free option doesn't really give you the commercial rights, and so they have really beautiful, really awesome images here, and they're look so real and everything too. It's awesome just to see the amazing AI art that is able to create from these amazing, gorgeous um, piece of art here. But then you have to pay for it anywhere between $88 to 20 something dollars to get started on their. If you go here, it will show you that you probably have to go to a subscription plan, which is right here. That shows you the free trials, how much um, you how much of a free time that you have to try it out. But then you have to go to the basic plan or standard plan or even the pro plan to get the commercial rights on these in order to sell your artwork. Now on ArtSmart here, you get an option to go to try it out, the 50 free images on here. So if you don't have any money, you can play around with this and go to this website here, ArtSmart, and then you can log in, try it out, their options here, and then you can create your art here. They do have a tune option, which is like an option where you can put your own images on here, and then it's gonna create art from your images. If you click on this video, it'll show you like it goes from here to like images of yourself here in art, okay, which is pretty cool and awesome. So you have a chance to check it out, okay? So after you create your art, like I've shown here, you can go to create here. Where do I go? You can go to playground. You can create on here. They have standard, semi-realistic, hyper-realistic, and then you can put in your prompts here, and it'll show you. Let me just show you some of the images I have here. I have created some prompts here. I kind of like some of the oil painting, some of the natures and stuff like that. Something like a cottage by the rivers, things like that. So as you can see, it has a pretty nice, unique here. You can take a look here. Okay, see some of these prompts here. You can um, put more prompts in, and you can do image to image as well to load an image to give the AI kind of like an idea of the type of art that you like. Now, after you do that, you can go onto Etsy, and I'm going to show you what you can do to sell your art here. You see some of these images and art here. Look at this one. It's a nature art set of 6 prints. Let's click on it and take a look. And you can sell these art here, okay? So they have a width, the height, the dimension, everything here. And you can sell these art sets, okay? They have instant download, which means, it's more like digital downloads. You can kind of have a look at what it looks like here. That's how, yeah, you can do these images on AI here. Okay, let's just take a look at other stuff here. Um, if you look here, some of these images are pretty, it's not hard to make, like some of these art here, but you have to remember, you have to put it clearly that it's digital download. If you want to do digital download, you can do like mega bundle right here, 50 digital download print included. Look at this one. And people have been, look, 1280. So you can do 50 digital download prints like this and sell it digital, basically. um, I think it's just pretty awesome. And when you go to Etsy and load on, you know, get on there, and you get a lot of options. It's only like very inexpensive, it's like 20 cents to load images here, to list the images here, listing here to sell your images. So you can check it out, see if you want to go this option. Another option is going to be go to Gumroad, and Gumroad take 10% flat, but you have a lot of different more features. You can upload and sell courses, membership, things like that, books, etc. So that's another option. You can also go on Payhip. Not sure you heard about Payhip, but Payhip is another good option as well. If you go here, Payhip is kind of similar to Gumroad, but they have an option where you can just go with the monthly fee of either $29 per month or $99 per month, and that way you don't have any transaction fee. Versus Gumroad is going to be flat 10% no matter what. So this is might be an option for you if you're interested into any of these, because you're interested in digital download, online courses, membership. They have even email marketing tools, all that stuff here. You can check it out. They have coupons, affiliates. You can help people enroll into affiliates to help you make a sales and to reward them for the sales, referrals, all sort of stuff here. So there's different option here. Let me know what you think about that. But ArtSmart is has an option for you to try to sell your art online. Okay, so I hope this video helps. And let me just show you a few more. So if I'm not sure you heard about Printful, but Printful is a really good option as well, where you can connect with other platform, like a lot, like 2 dozens of these different platform here. And you can kind of play around with them here. They have Gumroad here already. They have some of these are free. The first 5 products or something. Here you go. So Big Hotel, I'm not sure you heard about them. They have Amazon as well. They have BigCommerce. They have Wix. They have WordCommerce, Etsy, Shopify. They have all sort of stuff on here. eBay. So ship to shop, a lot of different things here. So you can kind of play around with it. You can create your own logo, your own, let me see. You can go to product templates, your totes, your bags, your hat, your backpack, things like that. And you can upload all your files on here, create your new orders, things like that. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so you can play around with it. And yeah, it's pretty unique. Okay, you can do like, look at this logo here. See that? You can create. Let's just edit. You can go on Printful here and do the images. See, let's just say this, for example. You can put your own logos and image on here. You can put your words on here, the words that you want, and then you can set the price for these, and it's pretty straightforward. So let me know what you think about these different options to try it out. So don't forget to let me know what you like and what you discover out there, different platform that you never heard before that you can sell your arts online. So let me see. Yeah, so these are different. I just wanted to share these different platforms that you can sell your products online. So just the main thing is just to focus on a few, maybe like 2 to 3 platforms that you like, and then you go from there. Okay. So these are the ones that's already integrated into Printful, so that you can get started online. And I'll see you in the next video.